Putin hit by another blow as defiant Ukraine downs
Countrywide barrage of
Russian missiles and drones. Vladimir Putin has been dealt a hammer blow in his assault on Ukraine after a surprise Russian air attack on cities across the country in the early hours of this morning was shot out of the sky. The aerial barrage, comprising numerous missiles and almost 50 unmanned drones, had targeted cities and regions as far from the Russian border as capital Kyiv and the western oblast of Khmelnytsky, Ukraine's military confirmed. The embattled country's air force managed to shoot down all 5 missiles, as well as 48 out of 53 drones, a 91% success rate. But some of the air attacks found success. In Kyiv, Russian drones and missiles sparked a fire at an industrial facility, according to the region's governor, with emergency services scrambling to put out the blaze early on Friday morning. Though, crucially, no casualties have been reported. Oleh Syniehubov, the governor of the under-fire Kharkiv region, said the drone attack knocked out windows in at least 3 residential buildings and damaged shops, a post office, and other local infrastructure. Elsewhere, as many as 11 drones were shot down in Khmelnytsky. 3 drones were destroyed over Dnipropetrovsk and 1 in Kirovohrad, according to the region's local governors. And the Ukrainian military said 7 drones were shot down over the southern Odessa region, with 3 more downed in Kherson and 2 more in Mykolaiv. Speaking on national TV, Ukraine's Deputy Energy Minister Mykola Kolesnik confirmed the attack did not damage any energy infrastructure, a long-running target for Russian attacks.